I'm not nervous. Gulp. Okay, maybe a little. Huh? Everything under control, right?
Don't worry, I got this!
I'll be so careful. Don't look at cake. Whimper.
Buzz Buzz! Wedding party! Let's ruin it!
Perfect recipe.
Is this grass? Moo! Yes, fresh.
And now, my moment! That was beautiful.
Go away, go away! Oh, no, no!
Oopsie.
No, 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 no!
This is fine.
Too easy. Watch this. Ah! Nailed it. Welcome. No trouble, okay? Nice flowers.
Clear the way!
Okay, just going.
Make way for the groom!
I'm so majestic. Please don't trip, please don't trip.
Ladies and gentlemen, animals of all thoughts, the moment you've been waiting for, the bride!
Just one more flower.
I'm so sorry!
Fix it, fix it, fix it! On three, 1, 3. It'll hold, probably.
Do I look okay?
Go. Bang! Hi.
Hi, Biral.
And now our singer. This one's for the couple! Amazing.
Do you, Baral, take Bag to be your wife?
I do!
And do you, Bag, take Baral to be your husband?
The rings! I practiced so hard for this.
Time for the feast!
I made everything myself.
It's grass.
Delicious grass.
Fresh green grass salad, hay roll wraps, grass juice. This is perfect. Finally, someone with taste. Dessert.
Stop! No! Those are decorations! I thought buffet!
Dance time! I'm great at dancing!
Giggle, you're stepping on my paw.
One more prank? The biggest one!
Victory! They've gone too far!
Uh-oh.
Get the Mojamachi! Can't fly on the ground! Can't catch us! Together?
Together. Kay!
Time to eat the Mojamachi!
Wait, what?
Just kidding, now go!
Happy couple.
Best wedding ever?
The best.